Hey guys, and welcome to another video. It has been so long since I recorded. It feels so good to be back recording and uploading again. It's been a long time. My son is now 4 months old. The last time you guys saw me, I was still pregnant with him. And yeah, I will give you guys updates on him and me and our new place where we're living and everything like that in another video. But I wanted to come back doing my cleaning videos because as a mom, I'm always cleaning and I am a stay-at-home mom. So that's mainly what I do, take care of him and take care of the house. So it just seems perfect just to go back to recording now that I have him on a schedule. And now that I've adjusted to life being a new mom, I can get back to doing my videos. This is going to be a super quick clean with me. I'm not going in depth at all, just tidying up the places that need to be tidied up. I'm only doing the kitchen, a little bit of the dining room, and the living room because now that I have a baby, I have to tend to him a lot. So I don't have a lot of time to deep clean these areas, but I'm just tidying up in this video. So let's go ahead and clean with me. In the kitchen, my husband washed all the dishes last night because we ran out of our dishwasher detergent, so we hand washed them. Well, he hand washed them for me, so they were just drying and I'm going to be putting them away. I do have some dishes in the sink. I like to wash the dishes when he goes to bed at night because we accumulate dishes throughout the day, and I don't want to have to wash them continuously throughout the day. I'd rather just wash them all at one time, let them dry, and put them away the next day. So it just makes perfect sense to me. And then I do have some bottles in there. He is breastfed, but if one of my family members watches him for me, then I'll put some breast milk in a bottle for him. So I have to clean those also tonight. But yeah, I'm just going to be tidying up the kitchen just a little bit and putting away the dishes. And lastly, I'm just wiping down our dining room table. We finally have one because, as you guys know, if you've watched me in the past, we had an island and no dining room at our last place. But in this house, we have a dining room, so I'm so happy. I actually spray painted that bottom piece of it silver to match our stools. I really like how it turned out. But yeah, I'm just going to wipe it down really quick. And yeah, there's not much to do here. But other than that, I thank you guys so much for watching. It feels so good to be back in recording. I can't wait to film more videos. Now that I'm a stay-at-home mom and I have a schedule for my son, I should be able to keep up now. But it will also be difficult just because the older he gets, the more I have to tend to him. So guys, just bear with me here, okay? I'm still adjusting to life as a new mom as he grows. But yeah, I'm so happy to be back, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.